shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little DIY. I have my daughter here with me who is going to be assisting me. I know it's fall, I'm decorating for fall, and I want to throw in a little DIY in it for Halloween. Now, before y'all say anything, remember I have kids. I have a 12-year-old and I have a 3-year-old. And I remember one year I didn't do anything for Halloween, and my 12-year-old was like, "Mommy, you're too boring." So before y'all come for me, remember I have kids. I'm a cool mom. I'm not a boring mom. So not because your belief is your belief, my belief is my belief. Halloween, I love when my kids dress up, go trick or treat. It has nothing to do with anything spiritual or whatever y'all think it for me, for us, for the Rose House. So I will be sprinkling in a little bit of Halloween decorations here right there, and this is the one that we're going to be doing today, a little DIY that I want to try. You know, as I said, I have a 3-year-old and y'all kids do trick-or-treating in school anyway, so let's not act. But anyways, without further ado, let's go right into this video. If you're new to the channel and you like home decor and lifestyle, please consider subscribing to the channel. You are gonna love it here. So I want to do a little haul for y'all. Went to Dollar Tree, so I want to show you guys what I got. All right, so as I said, it's a DIY, so I'm gonna show you what I got. So Dollar Tree is not Dollar Tree anymore, by the way. Dollar Tree is $1.25, $1.50. I see things in Dollar Tree for $7, okay? But I'm gonna try a little something with these. So I got this cute little, it's actually a called snack bowl. It's for $3, so I got this, and I got these plastic skulls. They are it says it glows in the dark actually. I think they were like $1.25. I got 3 of them. Two. And then I got this one, right? All in Dollar Tree. And then I got me some little fingers, whatever you want to call it. So I got me some of these that I'm gonna be using on the thing that I'm gonna decorate, and I got me some tea light candles. I don't know why I got the candles, but I think I'm gonna use it. And I got me a spider web, which I don't think I'm gonna use this one because I got this one and I actually used one already and I absolutely love how it turned out, so I'm gonna be using this one. And then, you know, I always get arts for the girls, but this time it's for Tennille. I got this art for Tennille. No, I did get another, I'm going to show you guys when I go inside, but these are the things that I'll be working with right now to do my little DIY. So let's get right into that. So I'm also going to use this charger. I have tons of these, so we're going to use this too. And we're going to do something like this. Now, as I said, this is my first time trying it, but I know it's going to turn out well because I like DIY. You know, I like doing DIY. So let's get into that. I am waiting on Tisha to come with my phone stand because I need to do a reel and a TikTok and a short for this because it's going to be the bomb. Okay? All right. So I wanted to show you guys these champagne glasses. I got these at Dollar Tree too. They are so darn cute. But I literally sat down and pry out the glass part because I want to use these as candle holders. Y'all gonna see, it's gonna be so cute. It was really hard to do. It takes a lot of time and patience because I didn't want to break this part. So you gotta be very careful. You probably just want to invest in candle holders that looks like this. I wanted to go the cheaper route and I actually enjoyed doing it. So I just pried it out. It was kind of hard to do too. Alright, so let's get into this. Our glue gun is hot.
My hand does that. You better hurry up, mommy's gonna dry. At least it's hot outside. Oh, period.
Period poo. Turn, spin it to you. Yeah.
Don't fall.
Alright, so
Oh, it's warm. I just let it get his head.
yeah. Alright. Let this center. Alright guys, so I am going in with the E6000.
Oh, mommy.
I know, right? Oh, and it stink. Hold
stink?
it. Mm-hmm.
I like spray paint.
Oh god, man, I slide. Hold on, Tasia. Whew. Yes, it's alright. Tell me, it look good?
Yes,
Look
yes,
pretty
it
from
looks-
top to
it's-
bottom.
Yes, it looks good. Looks magnificent.
Push it in.
It is in, mama. Okay, now it's gonna feed it to you now. Yeah. Don't tilt. Oh, come on.
Fan. Fan. Alright. Put in it. Alright, so this is what we're working with so far, and I love it. I want to reshape my candles, so I am adding some hot water to a bowl. Then I am putting the candles in and reshape them into whatever I want. This time I'm just making some squiggly candles to add some design to the front. Alright, y'all, so I am in my entry area, my foyer, and I am gonna do a quick decorate with me right here, just to showcase the piece that I just did. And I just want to show you guys how easy this is to do in your home. So let me show you what I'm working with. So I have this, it's actually a TV console, by the way. So it's a TV console that we were using upstairs before we did the movie room. And I didn't want to throw it out because I cannot decide what I want in my foyer, my entrance area. So I said, you know what, I am gonna reuse it right here, and I actually like how it looks for now. So this is what I've been using, and I'm gonna decorate it and show you guys how simple it is. It's very abstract, so you kind of have to know how to place the items. I am loving how it works in the area, and as I said, it's right at my entrance. I cannot decide what I want to do as yet, so I am working with this for now. So let's get to decorating. The first thing that I am going in with is this beautiful oversized vessel that I got from Home Goods a few years back. So I am going in with that, and I just want to make sure that it is centered with my wall art. Then I am going in with these beautiful Chinese blossoms. Now I use these for spring and I use them for summer. They are too beautiful to put away, so I am using them right in my entrance area because when I tell you I love them, I love them. I'm going in with some books on the opposite side of my vase, and then I am going in with this pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I have these beautiful acorns. They're silver. I don't remember where I got these. I want to say I got them at Joann's years ago, but I decided to pull them out because you know silver is back in, so I'm just gonna put them right here. Alright, so I got these beautiful hurricane candle holders from Temu. I am adding them right here, and the green is gonna tie in. These are my favorite candles, y'all know this. I use them all year round, so I'm just adding these beautiful hurricane candle holders. Now I love these, they just make a statement, so I just like using them. Now we are gonna go on to the harder part of the table. I'm going in with this beautiful pumpkin. I'm putting it right here. And then I am going in with this vessel that I got from Joann's a few years ago. Back with this huge brown bowl that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I have some stones and shells that my girls collected, so I'm just putting it right under here. And then I am going in with this beautiful ruffled bowl. This is from Burlington. I am gonna add this on the bottom of this thing right here, and I want to make sure everything is looking good. And then I am gonna go ahead and add this little black chain link. On this side, I'm going in with this beautiful bowl. This is from Royal Market, and I have some shoe covers in this because you cannot come in my house with your shoe. So I decided to just nice it up, putting in a nice bowl so it's easy to access. And then I am going in with this tabletop fireplace. I'm just gonna put it right here. Now, as I said, this piece is very abstract, so you have a lot going on with it. So hence the different pieces. But one thing I know, I don't want it to be crowded. All right, let's get into the last section. I am going in with this beautiful piece that I just made. So beautiful, and you can see the black is tying in so well with everything that I'm doing. Then I am going in with this beautiful candle that I made. And everything on this shelf is from Dollar Tree as well. Just wanted to put that out there, that you can actually save. You don't have to spend a lot. So this is how this section is looking. So, so, so beautiful. I'm actually loving how this turned out. As I said, this is how my foyer area is looking. I'm not sure what I want in my entrance. We moved into this house 3 years ago, and I'm still not sure what I want to put here. So I think this is perfect. It ties in everything and how I put the pieces together. And this is the seasonal section, the Halloween section. Now remember, as I said, I have kids, and I I'm free to do what I want to do because it's my house, right? So yeah, so I think this is so beautiful. And my mom actually saw something similar to, well, just these three in Burlington. And how about I posted this on my Instagram, and one of my subscribers, Kimmy, she actually instantly knew what it meant. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. And I was like, oh my God. So yes, that's actually what it means. And then this was just a fun DIY for my daughter and I. She love it. Love it. So let me know what you guys think about my entrance area. It's beautiful. So when you step in, this is what you actually see. I think it's beautifully put together. I wanted to show you all my mom's orchids. Well, my orchid that mommy sent some love to. They are blooming and they are so pretty. Look at that. So beautiful. Both of them, actually, not just one. So I'm happy about that. I think I need a plant table right here. Not sure what I want to do as yet, but let me show you guys the other one. How beautiful. Look at this, y'all. So beautiful. Yeah. Mommy's taking care of them. So beautiful. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I am absolutely loving how this turned out. I have my dining table to show you guys, and that's another DIY. It's so good. So good. I saw something on the internet and I sent it to my husband and I was like, I want that, and he made it for me. So I can't wait to show you guys that. Remember to follow me on all socials because I'm always posting short clips there first. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.